Hi, I'm Cassidy, and with over 25 years of teaching experience, I have helped countless people improve their flexibility and movement. If you've been struggling with tight hamstrings, this 5-part series will guide you through effective exercises to increase your flexibility and mobility while improving overall function of your body mechanics. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body and modify any exercise as needed. Consistency is key. For best results, try to do these exercises 4 times a week. If you don't have time to do all 3, do the exercise that feels the most restricted. That's your weakest link and your key to progress. Let's get started. You're going to go into the bridge, pushing up through the pelvis as you anchor down into your heels and your hands, feeling your glutes and hamstrings firing up. You're going to do 10 of these at your own pace. Make sure that you're feeling your glutes really fire up for you. You do want to feel a burn of the booty. See if you can keep your shoulders open and the back of your neck nice and long. Should be feeling that burn of the booty by now. You're going to rest. Rest as long as you need. Resting is good. It helps you keep good form. When we get tired, we get sloppy. At your own pace, going back into it, doing another set of 10. You should feel your glutes firing up faster, burning faster. You're going to feel your hamstrings too, but you definitely want to feel your glutes working more than your hamstrings. Try not to push up through your chest too much. Try to keep the energy through the pubic bone. Anchoring in your feet. Then you're going to bring your knees into your chest and rock out your lower back. And then you're going to stretch your glutes out, crossing your right leg over your left, pulling into your chest, shifting your knees over to your right a little bit so you feel the stretch get into your left glute. With each exhale, trying to bring your knees in a little bit closer to your chest, getting a nice good stretch for the glute. Switching sides, left leg over the right. Shifting your knees over to your right a little bit, feeling that stretch get in your left glute. Breathing into it, getting deeper into the stretch with each exhale. Nicely done. Good. You're going to sit cross-legged, stretching your rotation, rotating over to your right. Reaching through the crown of your head, lengthening your spine, gently trying to increase your rotation with each exhale. Very active in the stretch. Breathing naturally, softening your face and your jaw. Gently coming out of that, and then you're going to switch sides, rotating to your left. You may notice that one side feels tighter than the other. That's normal. That's okay. Just rotate as best you can, lengthening through the crown of your head, remembering to breathe. Gently coming out of it. One more time, rotating to your right, and hopefully you feel that your rotation has increased. You're feeling more mobility and flexibility in the spine. Still thinking about lengthening the spine, reaching through the crown of your head, remembering to breathe. Gently coming out of it, switching sides, rotating to your left, Again, hopefully you feel an increased range of motion. Remembering to breathe, reaching to the crown of your head, trying to increase the stretch with each exhale. And then coming back to home base. Nice. Going into the reverse bridge, pushing up through your pubic bone, looking down towards your pubic bone, trying to open up the front of the hips as best you can, holding for up to 15 counts. Nice 90-degree angle of the knees over the feet. Keep pushing up through your pubic bone, feeling your glutes working, and then resting, and just letting yourself relax in between sets. Adjust your clothes as needed. And then when you're ready, setting yourself up to go back into it. Feet far away from the booty. Pushing up through your pubic bone, opening up your chest and shoulders, opening up the front of your hips, trying to hold for 15 counts. Focusing down at your pubic bone, working the front of your neck. Keep pushing up through your pubic bone, feeling your glutes and your hamstrings and your abs. Definitely going to feel that upper body work too. And then go ahead and rest. Woo! Nicely done. All right, that's it. You did it. We are building strength. In the next video, we'll focus on dynamic movements for flexibility and control. See you there. Bye for now.
Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.